Have you ever thought about earning money without any investment using Pinterest? Can you really do affiliate marketing and generate a stable income? Let's get started. As we all know, more than 1 million people are active on Pinterest. Yes, it's not just a number, it's an opportunity. Now, you might be wondering how. Well, according to research, more than 400 million people shop actively. In other words, if you want to sell something, some people will buy products that you are promoting. So, you'll earn a commission on every product sale. It means even while you're sleeping, your account is making money. Now, you might be thinking this sounds great, but how do I start? I'll guide you step by step and show you how to make your Pinterest journey easy. The first step is niche. It's essential to focus on your topic or category. That's when you achieve real success by being specific. You might be wondering, how will I know which niche is best for me? Well, here comes the role of trends.pinterest.com. It's a tool that shows what people are searching for and what they're not. People working in specific niches earn 3 times more money than those in general categories. So, if you really want good income from Pinterest, you need to choose the right niche. Let's say you're interested in gardening, and you want to explore Pinterest. When you type in gardening here, you can see how many people are searching for this topic. And here's an interesting thing, some topics are always trending, like home decor. Everyone wants to make their home beautiful, right? So, if you focus on evergreen topics like home decor, you can attract an audience all the time. According to research, topics like home decor on Pinterest have millions of searches every month. It means your content can always stay popular. Now, think about the keyword home inspiration. Everyone wants to make their home special, something unique. That's why people are searching for home inspiration to get new ideas for decorating their homes. When we talk about fantastic keywords like home inspiration, there's another important thing we need to understand. That is, how to know which pins are successful and which ones aren't. Everyone shares their ideas on Pinterest, but some pins are more popular than others. These are the pins that people like, share, or comment on more. I did some research and found that successful pins have some common features: high-quality images, clear and catchy captions, use of relevant keywords, and yes, colors matter too. According to research, people click more on pins with bright colors. Another thing we need to understand is engagement metrics. Now, you might be wondering, what is this engagement matrix? Well, it's a simple thing. When you talk to a friend, and they listen carefully, laugh at your jokes, or react to what you're saying, how does it feel? It feels good, right? Similarly, on Pinterest, when people see and like or comment on your pin, it's good for your pin. Understanding these 3 metrics is crucial because they tell us how our content is performing. If your pins have more views, likes, and comments, it means your pin is doing well. Let's not just talk big, let's look at a real-life example. I've checked several popular accounts, did some research, and found interesting things. Number 1, high-quality images. Every pin of theirs has top-notch quality photos, captivating viewers instantly. Second, engaging captions. Their captions always include a question that gets people engaged and commenting. And third thing, consistency is key. These accounts post new pins every day without getting tired. And the most significant thing is that these accounts always follow the latest trends. If wooden furniture is trending now, they will focus on that. So, that was the secret of a successful Pinterest account. What do you think? Can you also grow your account like this? I say, absolutely, you can. Just a little research, a bit of hard work, and the right strategy are needed. We almost forgot one thing, setting up your Pinterest profile. Think about it. When someone visits your profile, what do they see? Your banner, logo, and bio write-up. These 3 things create the first impression of your brand. Number 1, the banner. It's the biggest part of your profile. It should showcase the topic you focus on. For example, if you focus on home inspiration, your banner should have a beautiful home decor image. Second, the logo. People remember you from your logo. It should be simple, clean, and memorable. If you don't have a logo yet, don't worry, I'll guide you. Third, the bio. This is your introduction. Short and sweet, what do you offer and why someone should follow you? These 3 things are the foundation of your success. But now the question is, how do we create them? Not everyone is adept at designing. However, there's a solution, an online tool where you can create stunning graphics without any design skills. And guess what? It's free. Canva is the solution. Here, you get ready-made templates. Just insert your photos, do some text editing, and voila! Your banner or logo is ready. Canva offers different styles of logo designs that you can choose from, customize colors, and create your unique logo. It's easy. Creating a banner is the next step. In Canva, you have various styles of banners templates. Choose the one you like, change colors, and your unique banner is ready. While Canva doesn't have a direct role in creating banner, you can take inspiration from its fonts and styles for writing your banners. An amazing fact, Canva users create 15,000 designs every minute. Imagine how popular this tool is. Now, we've learned how to create graphics with Canva's magic. But there's another thing we need to perfect, your Pinterest account name and bio. Yes, the name and bio are the first things visible in your profile. Your account name and, trust me, name decide whether your audience will follow your account or not. Your name should be such that people can easily remember it. Your name should reflect the niche you are in. Avoid numbers and special characters, such as 123 or at homes. Keep it simple. Now, let's talk about the bio. The bio is where you introduce yourself. Keep it short and convey what you offer. For example, sharing daily home inspiration for your dream house. Keep it short on the bio. Briefly explain what you offer, like sharing daily home inspiration for your dream house. Add some lines like follow for daily updates or check out the latest pins. Include keywords like home decor or interior design so that people can easily search for you. Small details matter. Now comes the biggest challenge, content. Yes, those are the images and ideas we share on Pinterest. You might be wondering where to get new images every day. Here's a secret, you can legally reuse some content. Copy-paste images without any problem. But pay attention, I've used the term legally. Indeed, using someone else's image without permission is wrong and can lead to copyright issues. There are websites like Unsplash or Pexels where you can download free images legally. However, even if you reuse someone else's content, don't forget to give them credit. Mentioning their name or source is essential. It's better to edit the image a bit, like adding filters or text, rather than direct copy-pasting. Users who mix original and reused content have engagement rates 30% higher. Maintaining a balance is crucial, so think about it. Imagine how you would feel if someone used your hard work without giving credit. Similarly, when using someone else's content, providing credit is fair. Another thing, it's crucial to determine if your content is hitting the mark or not. Posting content on any platform is not enough. Delivering it to the audience and gaining engagement is equally essential. The algorithm on platforms like Pinterest also looks for engagement, determining which pins receive the most views, likes, and comments. Analyzing this data helps you understand what works well and where improvement is needed. If your content aligns with current trends, chances are it will perform better. Creators who regularly interact with their audience often achieve an engagement rate of almost 40%. Understanding the magic of interaction is key. So far, we've learned a lot, but one crucial thing we haven't touched upon is how to create a Pinterest pin. Crafting a pin is not rocket science, but knowing the right way can make your content shine. Interaction is the magic of engagement, and now let's delve into how to create a perfect pin step by step. First and foremost, choose the right image. Choose high-quality images, keeping in mind that Pinterest mostly prefers vertical images. Additionally, add a catchy title either above or below the image, such as 5 tips for perfect home decor, and include descriptive text in the description. Add a bit of information so that people understand what the pin is about. Furthermore, enhance your branding by including your logo or website link. For a long-lasting impact, incorporate phrases like "click for more" or "read the full article" to encourage users to engage. Now that you know what should be in a pin, let's discuss what makes a pin stand out. When users scroll through Pinterest, they see multiple pins every second. To make your pin stand out, a catchy title and description are crucial. Simple and effective titles attract users. Keep it short and sweet while providing all the necessary information. There's a question that may be in your mind: how will the money come? I know you're waiting for this, but do you know about affiliate marketing? First, how do we choose the right affiliate programs? It's like picking the perfect snack. We need something yummy and appealing. So, we start by researching and selecting affiliate programs that match what you love and want to share. Imagine you love gardening. You'd look for affiliate programs related to garden supplies. It's all about sharing things you're passionate about. Now, let's talk about the best ways to put affiliate links into your pins. So, the trick is to integrate those links in a way that feels natural. Now, here's a cool trick, using redirects and shortened URLs. It's like turning a long and twisty road into a short and sweet path. Why? Because it looks neater and more organized. To kick things off, automating pin scheduling comes in. With Tailwind, you can plan when your pins go live, so they reach lots of audience without you even having to be there. So that's it for today. I'm sure you can achieve great success with it. Just need to start today. If you have any doubts, write them in the comment section. On this channel, I bring new tutorials and tips regularly to help you earn money online. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel for notifications about new videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.